Picture this: an employee leaves your company on Friday. Maybe they resigned, maybe they were let go, doesn't matter. You do the responsible thing. You change their password. Done, right? Problem solved? Not even close. Here's what most people don't realize. When someone's already logged into your email, your file sharing, your accounting software, changing the password doesn't kick them out. Their sessions are still active. That means they could still be reading emails, downloading files, or sitting inside tools you're paying for, all from their couch. So, what do you actually need to do? You need to revoke all active sessions, disable the account entirely, remove them from every app and subscription, and recover any company devices or data. Miss even one of those steps, and you've got a security gap, and possibly a bill for software no one's using. This is one of those things that feels simple but has a lot of moving parts, and it's exactly the kind of thing a managed IT partner handles for you, so nothing falls through the cracks. Interested in learning more? Contact Abuzz Technologies at 215-600-0349.